Hi guys, this is Leela. Welcome to my channel Leela Web Dev. In this video, we will try to see about the another component in the Android that is nothing but toggle button. So before continuing with this toggle button, so I will try to show you how the output will look like. So here if you try to click hide image, so automatically the image will be hidden, and also you'll be able to see the image is invincible. If I click on this one again, the image will come again and it will be showing that the image is visible. So this is how you will be able to see. So now what I would be trying to do it is, so this is the toggle button which we are going to try. Let's try to see. So now I am resetting this entire thing. Okay, git. So if you want to start it, so you can start automatically. Uh, okay, you can start automatically with a new project. So right now I will be doing like this. Let's go to our code. Okay, so I will be going to our code view and also design view. So here I will be trying to remove entire thing. So I will be trying to use the constraint layout. So here we should see, instead of having layout width and something like that, and sorry, layout width is match underscore parent, and also we will be having another one that is nothing but Android layout height match underscore parent. So this is our constraint layout. So just I will try to use it like this. Constraint, sorry. So fine. Now here I will try to add the background color. So background, it will be Android color. So like this I will use it. Okay. So this is what I want to use it. So now let's go to our design view. So in this video we'll try to do only with the design view. So here what I want to do it is I want to get the image view. Okay, widgets, image view. So I'm getting the image view and I will add this image directly like this. And the another one which I would be trying to do it is the so here this has captured the entire thing, right? So let's try to go into this one. So here I will try to use image view only, image view. Okay, and I am refactoring this one. So here you will be able to have something around 300, and I want to have this one is around 300. Okay, what is happening? Yeah, so here this is the thing, and for this one, sorry, this is the thing, and here you will be having 300 is not coming. Image view 300 dp. Okay, so I forgot to use the 200 dp. Okay, so this is the image which I want to do it, and here I want to drag the text view also. So here I have dragged the text view, and this text view, so let's try to keep it as a text view only id. Okay, and here I would be trying to use, so here we'll drag it here and I will drag it here, and this is the text view, and I will give around this one also 300 dp, and I will make this one here, and the text color I want to apply the text color. So text color will be black. Okay, and I want to give the background color will be white. So I will be trying to give the white. From where it has been gone. So yeah, so it has been white, and I want to give the here layout width is this one, layout height is around 50 dp. Okay, and the text color I want to give it as something around text sizes. So I want to give 20 sp, and here text style will be bold, and the last one is the gravity. It should be something around center as true. That's it. So this is our text, and the last one which I want to use it is the buttons. So here I want to use the toggle button. That's it. So for this toggle button, so I want to change the text for this one. So here you'll be having off on, right? So here I will use hide image, and here I will use show image. So like this. So I will use the both the things, show image and also hide image. Now that's it. So now we need to check the output. So let's try to check the output for this one. Okay. So these all things gone, right? So let's try to remove this all the code. Okay, so that we can able to see this one. Okay, and now let's try to run it again. Fine. Let's see the output for this one, how it will look like. So if you try to see the output, so everything is coming at the top as we expected. So now what we need to, let's go to the XML and design view. So here you can select the three things, okay, by control, and you can make it as center horizontally. And this one, if I try to check the constraints for this one, okay, so here I can keep it something like this, and I will drop it something around 70, okay. And the another one 70 or 90, I can do it, yeah. And let's go to the text thing also. I will do it like this, and I will drop little bit to 50, okay. And the hide image also I will try to keep it like this, and here I will try to keep 60 or so, yeah. That's it. So now let's try to refresh this one and see the output again. So how it will look like. See, exactly, we are able to see perfectly. Now I want to design the write the code. So whenever I click on this hide image, so the image should be invisible, and whenever I click on this win, again the image should come. So that is the thing which we are trying to do it. So here let's go here, and what is the this one, toggle button, okay. Oh, sorry, toggle button, text view, and also image view, okay. So let's try to get it late init where image view of type image view, and we are having another one late init where of text view of type text view, late init where toggle button of type toggle button. Fine. So here let's try to get those things. Image view is equal to find view by id of, so this one is an image view, right? If you want, you can write it like this, r dot id dot image view. And the another one is text view is equal to find view by id of text view r dot id dot text view. And the last one is, so we will be having toggle button, so find view by id of toggle button r dot id dot toggle button. That's it. Now here when the toggle button is changed, so here we need to use set on click listener. So we should not use the set on click listener. Why? Because here this button has the two states, off, on, whereas the normal button has only one state, so clicked or not. So here you need to use the this one, set check. So you will be having two variables, so it will be having underscore so you can take this one is a compound, and another one is checked, okay. So now here this one will give you that whether the button is on or not. So if the button is on, if it is checked, then what I can do, so I can make this image view dot visibility is equal to view dot invisible, and you can write text view dot text is equal to the image is invincible. Else means, then what you can do here in the else case, image view dot visibility is equal to view dot visible, and here text view dot text is equal to the image is visible. So this is the code which we are trying to edit. Now let's try to see the output for this one, how it will look like. So the same output you'll be able to see it now. Fine. And when I click on this one, see, you will be able to see the image is invincible, and the image is not there. If I click on this one, again the image came. So this is how you will be able to work with the toggle button. So that's it guys about this toggle button. So hope you understood about this toggle button. So if you have any doubts or any suggestions, please post the comments below to this video. And if you like this video, please do support me by subscribing to my channel. Thank you.